BMO InvestorLine app pricing explained what you get for your money. BMO InvestorLine is an online brokerage offering trading for stocks, ETFs, and mutual funds. Most people get this wrong by assuming online trading is free, but BMO InvestorLine charges competitive fees with flexible options. For standard online trades, the fee is typically $95 per trade for stocks and it's under zero. Trades over zero often reduce the fee to around $95 per trade. Mutual funds have a different structure, often with a 0% front-end load for certain funds, while others may have purchase or redemption fees. Options trades cost around $95+ per contract. BMO InvestorLine also offers monthly plans that can reduce trading costs for frequent traders. The app provides research tools, watch lists, and portfolio tracking, making it easier to manage investments efficiently. In conclusion, BMO InvestorLine pricing is structured to balance accessibility with service quality. Understanding trade fees and fund costs ensures investors make informed decisions and maximize value. Whether you're a casual trader or more active investor, BMO InvestorLine offers transparent options.